Alright, welcome to episode 14 of Learning to Draw, where we will be doing lesson 18 of You Can Draw in 30 Days to Scroll. I've done this several times on paper, though I've never completed it on digital, so this will be fairly new for me, but it seems fairly simple. It's actually one of my favorites, so with that, let's begin. I've started off, as you can see, by drawing 4 guide dots, where we will be drawing ovals, or as the book calls it, shortened circles, because we're going to be first making 2 cylinders. So let's see if I can't get that looking somewhat decent, and that is not going to be it in a relatively quick time. There we go. Nope. There we go. And do the same thing over here. Don't have to be perfect, but I'd like them to look somewhat decent. Let's see. Let me try turning my board and hopefully not bang into my mic too much. There we go. That looks good. There we go. That looks a lot better. Okay, so with that, we're going to shoot straight down and then over. Make a nice big curve, and we want a good curve on it. And we want to do the same thing, get them approximately the same height. And a nice big curve. Okay, so with that, we're going to start erasing some lines in just a moment after, because first we're going to take over here, connect it, and then we're not going to need all this in the middle. So we're going to take this and a nice big curve over there, and then actually from about here we're going to connect it to over here. That is too much of a curve. And I just realized that this one is a bit higher than the other. There we go. So I'm going to go ahead and erase all this extra lines. I will fast forward through that, and then I will be back to speak with you for creating the rest of the scroll. Okay, so with all these extras, hopefully you can kind of see the outline. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this and we're actually going to hook this real hard. Nice big hook in. And then we're going to do something similar over here. I'm going to make it kind of hook in real hard. Then we are just going to add, we always want it to cut in towards there. So we actually going to want to give this kind of a slight curve on both these. And if it's the outside, you want a curve on the outside. And the same thing here. Nice big curve there. And there we go. This way it looks like it's stuck in behind. And that is really all there is to it. Like I said, it's fairly simple, and I don't know why I enjoy this so much. But all we have left to do is our shading. So we will be putting, as usual, our light source up over here. Which means we want, from this edge of the scroll, we want a semi-straight line just down this way. We want here, all over here, basically all these little areas, we want it dark. And basically anywhere opposite of the light. So nice and dark in here. And a nice little dark patch here. With a little coming up over here. So I will, and of course over here. Anywhere away from the light. With that, I will fast forward through the shading. I hope you've learned something if you followed along. If not, I hope you just enjoyed listening and watching. With that, I will fast forward through the shading. Follow along if you wish, and have a wonderful day.